A couple of theories have been put out as to why she did this. One, that she was furious she couldn't go to a Marilyn Manson concert, kind of thing you could imagine a teenager being upset about, but maybe not to this degree. Also, that she'd had got together recently with Debbie Rowe, who of course was the natural mother, and that this had caused a rift with her brother Prince, who wants nothing to do with her. Are these the kind of things, from your experience, that can trigger in a young teenage girl like Paris, with the background of her father's death and so on, this kind of dramatic cry for help, if that's what it is?
Absolutely. They're layered upon each other. So one may not do it, two may not do it, but three and four. And these are very deep family issues that she's been struggling with, I'm sure, for a long time. And as Sean said, there's a lot of pressure on this young girl. There's a lot of eyeballs on this young girl. So yes, these are the kinds of things that can lead to these cries for help.
Catherine Jackson.
Also, Piers, let me just jump in here.
I was going to read a statement, actually, Sean. This is from Catherine Jackson, who obviously is Michael's mother, Paris's grandmother. Being a sensitive 15-year-old is difficult no matter who you are. It's especially difficult when you lose the person closest to you. Paris is physically fine and getting appropriate medical attention. Please respect her privacy. Sean, I mean, how much do you think goes back to the fact that she lost her father, who she was incredibly close to?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, the loss of her father has been weighing on this girl ever since the day it happened. We know that, but also, Piers, I talked to several of Paris's friends, students who actually go to school with Paris, and one of the things that they talked about is how this girl, she has described herself as a loner, and in school, she has even talked about being bullied and not fitting into certain groups. It was heartbreaking to hear some of the stories. One person said that she was friends with a popular kid in school, and when that relationship ended, Paris felt more like an outcast. So we can't help but wonder, what are the things that are happening to her in school that many students deal with, like bullying and being an outcast,
also,
and how they weighed